Last year, iHub was privileged to be visited by the amazing peeps at MIT Media Lab. We were able to go all the way to Tsavo to just check out what the guys at Wildlife Works are doing. Wildlife Works basically man the migration corridor between Tsavo East and Tsavo West. One of the challenges that we threw at ourselves is basically how can we use technology to make their work easier and improve just how things happen in the conservation space. And the easy win that we saw at that point in time was just automating their data collection process. About 3 months ago, we paid a visit to Wildlife Works after having worked on the initial version of the application for 2 months with the aim of getting initial feedback from the rangers on the app that we had in mind. After our last trip, we went back to Nairobi, spent quite a lot of time with the team designing the new changes that we needed to make on the application based on the feedback that we got from our first trip. After 3 months, we were ready to go back to the field. And our purpose in this particular trip was to just bring everything together. We spent a considerable amount of time with the rangers, and quickly after that, we did a patrol. It started out as a car patrol, but at some point we had to do a foot patrol, which, trust me, is a bit scary. During that point, we saw the rangers use the application in the natural environment that they work in, so you could actually see the challenges that they face in that context. Next, we headed over to the research team just to discuss a bit more about how they use the information that they collect and the format that we are sending them the information. It finally came together for them. They actually told us they see how it would make their work easier, how simple it is and how useful it is. The fact that it's going to be a shorter process to collect and send this information. And they were also excited just to see the rugged fonts and just to see it's not just technology, it's actually doing something for their own benefit. At iHub Consulting, we believe that products need to be designed to work for the end user. Many times there are many stakeholders in a project and there are many different people interacting with the solution that you're working on. It's very, very important that each and every person in that context gets what they need from it in the most intuitive and easiest way to do that. And we believe with that approach, we will stand a chance of putting out products that actually work for the real world.